Hello students, today I am going to discuss the acidity of alpha hydrogen in aldehydes and ketone. Reaction due to alpha hydrogen, in which we study about the aldol condensation, what is aldol and aldol condensation, cross aldol condensation and so many reaction. At first see reaction due to alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen. So students, at first you should know about the alpha hydrogen. Suppose this is a compound in which aldehyde group is present. So functional group attached to that carbon. So this carbon is known as alpha group. Just carbon adjacent to the functional group is known as alpha carbon, and hydrogen present on the alpha carbon is known as alpha hydrogen. All threes are present on alpha carbon, so all threes are known as alpha hydrogen. So here the reaction due to alpha hydrogen, acidic nature of alpha hydrogen. So at first we know alpha hydrogen is highly acidic in nature. Highly acidic in nature, and it can easily donate H plus ion. It can donate H plus ion easily. Carbonyl group may be aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde or ketone. So nature of alpha hydrogen is highly acidic in nature, and it can easily donate H plus ion. So at first see how the releasing of H plus ion takes place. Means releasing of alpha hydrogen takes place. At first see here. This is either aldehyde or ketone, and this carbon which is adjacent to the functional group, suppose this is aldehyde, this carbon is adjacent to the functional group of aldehyde, so this is alpha carbon, and hydrogen here is known as alpha hydrogen. This hydrogen, this also, all hydrogens are alpha hydrogen, and this reaction when goes with the sodium hydroxide. What is the function of sodium hydroxide? It gives the OH ion. So OH ion gives the electron to the hydrogen, and in that condition this carbon, this bond shifted towards this carbon. So here carbonyl group, negative charge present on the carbon, and this compound is resonance stabilized. We can easily say that pi electrons present between the carbon and oxygen, pi electron when shifted towards the more electronegative oxygen, this negative charge comes between this two carbon. So this type of structure obtained. And double bond, carbon and hydrogen. So carbon anion is stable. This is known as carbon anion because negative charge present on the carbon. Carbon anion, carbon anion is stable due to resonance. Due to resonance. So here easily H plus ion remove. How is takes place? See here, alpha carbon and hydrogen present on the alpha carbon is known as alpha hydrogen, and alpha hydrogen is acidic in nature because OH ion easily abstract the H plus and both the electrons shifted towards the carbon and the formation of carbon ion takes place. This carbon ion is stable due to resonance. When it comes here and this again comes there. So because of this enolic electron withdrawing group present in it. Why? Because electron withdrawing group is present in it. So removal of H plus ion takes place easily. This is the reason to acidic nature of alpha hydrogen. Here we study about the reaction due to alpha hydrogen. So let's discuss the aldol condensation first. Aldol condensation. The word aldol made from ALD from aldehyde and all from alcohol. Obviously, the aldol compound is those in which aldehyde functional group as well as alcohol functional group both are present. What are the conditions? At first, which type of compound gives aldol condensation? Number 1, presence of, right here conditions, presence of alpha hydrogen. If alpha hydrogen is not there, so no aldol will be formed. If no alpha hydrogen, no aldol will form. What first condition? Those aldehyde or ketone in which presence of alpha hydrogen is necessary. This is the condition. Condition for compound which have alpha hydrogen, so they will form aldol. See what are the mechanism. Proceed. At first, suppose we take ethanol and we have concept about the alpha carbon. So this is alpha hydrogen because this is the alpha carbon. In presence of alkali, most of the organic reaction takes place in the alkaline medium. So here we use dilute sodium hydroxide, which gives OH ion, and this OH ion takes H plus because this is the most acidic in nature due to presence of electron withdrawing group. What happens? This bond shifted towards the carbon. So the formation of enolate ion or carbon anion takes place. Formation of enolate ion or carbon ion. Here the presence of negative charge on the carbon make its nucleophile. Here we generate at first nucleophile. In the second stage, what happens? Second molecules of aldehyde take part in this reaction, and here is nucleophile, and when pi electron attract towards the more electronegative atom, there will be formation of positive charge, means electrophilicity generated. This is the electrophile and this is the nucleophile. So nucleophilic attack takes place, and what happens? See here, write down as it is CH3 CO negative charge present on the oxygen, and this hydrogen we can write here also, and CH2 attached with carbon, so we can write CH2 here and CH. What happens? As we know, this reaction proceeds in presence of dilute NaOH, means here is the water present, H2O, which gives H plus and OH minus. So in presence of water, this equation changes into CS3, negative charge present on the oxygen take protons. So here OH group form here, and here H, here is the CH2 and here is the CH2. So in this molecule we can see that here is the aldehyde and also here is the hydroxyl group present. So this compound is known as aldol. Aldol. Aldol means molecules having aldehyde as well as OH group. What happens again? If we heat slightly this compound, there will be removal of water takes place, and where the H plus removed on the present, this is the alpha carbon. So water removed from alpha beta saturation. This is the alpha and this is the beta. Hydrogen from alpha carbon means alpha hydrogen, and OH from beta. So alpha beta alpha beta position water molecules remove when we heat this compound, and the formation of CH3 CH double bond CH and CHO. This is known as 1, 2, 3, 4 but-2-enol. Name of this compound is but-2-enol. And commonly we know that this name of this compound is crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde. What is the common name of this compound? Crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde. So see here again, aldol condensation, aldol, ald comes from aldehyde, all comes from alcohol. Aldol condensation given by those aldehyde or ketone in which alpha hydrogen is present. If molecules having no alpha hydrogen, so no aldol will be formed. On alpha hydrogen or alpha carbon, the carbon present or carbon directly attached to the functional group is known as alpha carbon, and hydrogen present on alpha carbon is known as alpha hydrogen. When any aldehyde or ketone, here is ethanol, when ethanol treated with dilute sodium hydroxide, OH ion present in this solvent attract H plus ion, gives their electrons and extract H plus. So both the electrons shifted towards the carbon, and the formation of carbon anion takes place. We can say that here will be enolate ion takes place, and this is the formation of nucleophile. As a nucleophile, this compound or this molecule behave as a nucleophile because negative charge present on the carbon, and this compound is resonance stabilized. Again in the next step, one molecules of ethanol treated with this enolate ion. So here the nucleophilic attack takes place on the carbonyl carbon and the formation of this intermediate. This intermediate when undergoes to hydrolysis, O, there is a negative charge present, so it takes H plus ion from water and the formation of aldol takes place. Aldol means molecules having aldehyde group and OH group, hydroxyl group. So it is known as aldol. So aldol condensation is called because when aldol form, it again heated, so it undergoes to condense by the removal of water, and it form but-2-ene, so that it is known as aldol condensation. Condensation reaction takes place when this compound undergoes to heat, and removal of H plus ion takes place where? On the alpha carbon. So alpha beta unsaturation takes place. Here is this carbon is alpha and this carbon is beta. So OH from beta and H plus from alpha. So H2O when removed from these molecules, the formation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde compound, and the name of this compound is but-2-ene. Next topic is cross aldol condensation. Cross aldol condensation. Cross aldol condensation, when the two molecules involved in the reaction either both have alpha hydrogen, either one of them have alpha hydrogen. Suppose we have CH3, CHO, ethanol, and we have CH3, CO, CH3. So here is alpha hydrogen and here is also alpha. This is the functional group. This is the alpha carbon and this is also known as alpha carbon. So here the 3 alpha hydrogen. Here is also 3 alpha hydrogen. Both of them alpha hydrogen. What happens? When it undergoes to dilute sodium hydroxide, same mechanism proceed. Dilute sodium hydroxide, and see here what happens. At first, see here mechanism, same mechanism, try to understand. And in presence of dilute NaOH, OH ion, take this protons and both the electrons shifted towards this carbon. So formation of nucleophile takes place. At first, formation of nucleophile. What happens? When this nucleophile treated with AC2, this pi electron shifted towards, so here will be negative charge form and here will be positive. So this nucleophile goes on with carbon. Then write down the CH3 CO with negative charge and CH3 CH2 attached to this carbon and CHO. When these molecules undergoes to hydrolysis, proton taken by oxygen and the formation of aldol takes place. Formation of aldol takes place because aldehyde is present and OH group hydroxyl is present. So this molecule is known as aldol. When it heated under mild condition, so there will be removal of H2O takes place, hydrogen from alpha carbon and hydroxyl group from beta carbon. So alpha beta unsaturation takes place and the formation of CH3 CH3 and CH2, double bond and CH2. So alpha beta unsaturation takes place and the formation of this compound takes place. Remember here, if two different molecules taken in the cross aldol condensation, if both of them containing alpha hydrogen, so there will be mixture of aldol formed. How? See here, when ethanol react to each other, formation of one product. When acetone react to each other, form one product. 2. When this becomes nucleophile and this becomes electrophile, formation of another compound takes place. And just reverse, when this becomes nucleophile and this becomes electrophile, formation of another compound takes place. So cross aldol condensation, if we take two different carbonyl group and both of them alpha hydrogen, so there will be mixture of product takes place, not only one product takes place. Here ethanol react to each other to form protonaldehyde. When acetone and acetone react to each other, form another compound. And when this becomes nucleophile and this becomes electrophile, one of the product form. And reverse, when this becomes nucleophile and this becomes electrophile, another product will be formed. See, what happens if we take two different aldehyde? Here is ethanol and here is a propanol. So, and both of them contain alpha hydrogen. What happens when these two different aldehyde undergoes to aldol condensation in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide, mixture of compound will be formed. Ethanol react to each other to form one product. Propanol react to each other to form one product. And when this becomes nucleophile, this becomes electrophile, one product will be formed. And when we reverse this becomes nucleophile and this becomes electrophile, another product will be formed. So write down the product: CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH2. One product. Number 2, CH3, CH2, CH, OH and CH, again on CH3 and CHO. Here it connect with CHO. Another product, CH3, CH, OH, CH, CH3 and CHO. And one of the product will be CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH2 and CHO. So when two different aldehyde having both of them alpha hydrogen, so the mixture of aldol will be formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 hydroxybutanol, similarly 3 hydroxy 2-methyl pentanol, self-condensation and self-condensation. Self-condensation means when this ethanol react to each other to form this compound, self-condensation of two molecules of ethanol. We can write here also self-condensation of ethanol molecules. Ethanol. And here self-condensation of propanol. Self-condensation. condensation. When propanol react to each other to form 3-hydroxy 2-methyl pentanol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3-hydroxy 2-methyl pentanol. And this will form 3-hydroxy 2-methyl butanol from one molecule of ethanol and one molecule of propanol. These two will be formed when one molecule of ethanol and one molecule of propanol combined or condensed to each other to form these two different molecules. 3-hydroxy 2-methyl butanol. 1, 2, 3. 3-hydroxy 2-methyl butanol and 3-hydroxy pentanol. 1, 2, 3-hydroxy pentanol. 3-hydroxy pentanol and 1, 2, 3, 4. 3-hydroxy hydroxy 2-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4 butanol. This product formed when one molecule of ethanol and one molecule of propanol react to each other. And 3-hydroxy pentanol also formed when one molecule of ethanol and one molecule of propanol react to each other. And this compound 1, 2, 3, 4 3-hydroxy butanol, when self-condensation of ethanol takes place, and propanol when condensed self-condensation takes place, then formation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3-hydroxy 2-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentanol takes place.